If your baby needs to gain healthy weight and brain boost, please go ahead and make this meal next. And I assure you, you are definitely going to see amazing results on the weight of your baby. This is 100% guarantee, no cap.
Welcome to Chubby Baby's Kitchen, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!
The goal of this food is not just to provide calories, it is creating a meal that is creamy, satisfying, brain boosting, and packed with ingredients that will bring different benefits to your baby's body, including weight gain and brain development. And that is exactly what I am making today. This is the Mackie's banana and nut milk pap I am using for this recipe. It is one of those bases that supports healthy weight gain and gives the meal a smooth feeling texture. So this forms the base of our recipe and it is a compulsory addition for weight gain. The second ingredient I am using is walnuts. Walnuts are one of those ingredients that many parents don't think about immediately, but they are an easy way to add healthy fat to meals for weight gain and brain boost. This is African walnut, the black one you find fresh in the market. It comes in a shell and I have already boiled it until it becomes soft like this. After boiling, you remove the shell to reveal the soft flesh inside. If you are outside Africa, in places like the US or UK, you can also use the regular dried walnuts that come in packets. But this African walnut version is what I am using for this recipe. Next comes avocado. If you have been following my channel, you already know I love avocado because of its creamy texture and weight gaining power. Then I am adding 2 medium-sized bananas for natural sweetness and added calories. And of course, I am using Makkie Healthy Food Banana and Nut Milk Meal to bring everything together. At this point, the ingredients are already looking good, but we are not done yet. One thing I love about recipe is that it doesn't require complicated preparation. Sometimes the best baby meals come from combining a simple ingredient in the right way. This meal here looks very simple, but I can assure you it is 100% guaranteed. When my baby was in crèche, this was one of the ways I make his banana and nut milk or any other pap, and before 4 weeks, the result was very visible. He began talking on time, he started adding weight very well, and everything, his growth was very rapid. And like they say, walnut looks like the human brain. Yes, of course, it does look like the human brain. And then, aside the weight gain, it also helps to build your baby's brain very, very well. What makes this meal interesting is that each ingredient contributes something different. The avocado brings creaminess, the walnut contributes healthy fat and boosts brain, the banana adds natural sweetness and more calories, and the Makkie healthy food help to boost weight rapidly, and together they create a satisfying meal. It is now time to add our milk, and like you know, milk makes everything creamy, nourishing, and also helps with weight gain. Add a numerous amount of milk into your baby meal, and there you have it. As a simple way to use this meal, you can feed it to your baby as part of their breakfast or lunch meal plan. You can start by introducing it a few times a week and observe how your baby responds to it as part of a balanced diet. Many parents notice changes in their baby's appetite, more satisfaction during feeding, and weight gain when they use this meal consistently over time. The key is consistency, not pressure. It is not about one meal doing everything, but about building a healthy routine that supports your baby's growth naturally. If you try this recipe, I want you to come back and tell me how your baby responded. Drop a heart in the comment section so I know you are part of the Chopstars family. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss more simple and powerful baby weight gain recipes like this. I will see you in the next one, Chopstars. Bye!